You need a dose of this.
What's up, everybody? So I wanted to do this today because I just got something in the mail. It's going to be an impromptu unboxing, and it's from a dear friend of mine. I'm going to call him a friend because he's been helping me out with a lot of my displays on the table. For those who don't know, I am speaking about my man Moose over at WhamStands. He is doing an amazing job. He sent me this package today. Don't look at my address, stop it. I'm about to open it up right now and show you guys what he sent me. So here I go. I'm opening this thing up. I probably should just open it before I got on. But no, I'm excited to see this because for those who don't know, he has been providing displays for a lot of indie artists right now at shows. I see him all the time. He's got really cool stuff. He's got the wham blams, he calls them, which are basically your logo on a little emblem that attaches to his stands, which he calls WhamStands. I'm destroying this box right now. So he just sent me some stuff. He always sends this, which is like his business card. He throws in a bazooka gum in there. Big shout out to him. Oh, this is dope. So all right, so cool. So I ordered these. I'm gonna put these up. You see these? They probably don't look like anything to you, but I'm gonna show you. Oh, look at the framing. But I'm gonna show you what these things do. All right, so what are these? So basically, these are the whamstands that he just sent me. The emblems go attached to that, and that's where your logo goes. So when you start putting this thing together around your table, you get this really cool effect. Now, I think, I can't wait to see what these look like. Like, obviously, that's what it looks like. So you could put these, they separate. You know, they separate. So you can put them all around the table however you want. But the cool thing about these things is that you see how they just kind of like, they're just big magnets. You know what I mean? Like, he's thought of it all, man. Yeah. So big shout out to Moose over at WhamStands. Thank you so much, my brother. You are the best. These are just in time for Baltimore Comic Con, which is on April 20th through the 22nd. I will be in Baltimore, Maryland. Come check me out, table D5. I will have Russ5377. I will have Wonder Duck. We're going to have a good time. The stands are here. I'm excited. Thank you so much, Moose. More to come, I'm sure. But we'll chat soon. Peace.
You need a dose of this.